Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete group chat on Messenger. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your Messenger app. From here, open the group chat that you want to delete. Note that you cannot delete a group chat if you're not the admin. So, in order to delete a group chat, you must be the admin. If not, then you can just leave the group. To do that, all you need to do is tap on the eye icon on the top right and then scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option to leave group. Just tap on it and you will be out of the group. After that, just delete the conversation from your chats. But if you are the admin, tap on the eye icon on the top right corner. From here, scroll down and tap on See Members. Here you'll get to see all the members of your group. So tap on the first member. After that, tap on Remove from Group Chat. Now, select the second member. Again, tap on Remove from Group Chat. This way, you need to remove every member from the group chat. Once you're done, go back. From here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Leave Chat. After that, tap on Leave to confirm. Once you confirm it, you'll get to see the group chat has been deleted from your Messenger. If you refresh your Messenger, the group chat won't be here anymore. So that is how you delete a group chat on Messenger.